We got a little one right here. Oh, that's actually a big one. There's this a big one, okay? Today we're going to be harvesting one of the funnest carrots of all, which is the really, really stubby carrots. They only grow a couple inches long. They don't really grow. They just grow into this circle shape. So I'll show you which I'm talking about. So if you can see this one, it grows in a kind of circular shape. That's what I'm talking about. They each get different sizes. They might have not all grown the same size because they can grow in lots of different shapes, but they can't grow in the shapes. They can just grow smaller, or they can get bigger like this one. Let's put this in our container. We got medium-sized big carrots, and since we've been picking these carrots, when I graduated our school, and I had this activity that meant that we had to make a book about our real selves doing something. So I chose when we were planting our carrots. And it was really fun to do. We planted these with my mom. And for my school project, we have making a book that was about when we were harvesting this. I told the part when we were getting our seeds and we planted them with our stool that was called the seeding square, and the one where we harvested it. So I'm gonna be picking all the carrots that I can find. We got a little one right here. Oh, that's actually a big one. There's this a big one, okay? So I'm gonna finish picking these carrots. There's a lot of them, as you can see. And hopefully these don't take a lot of time because it's gonna rain outside. Let's keep on picking these. There's a lot of them. Look at this. The two twins. Oh, actually, that's just them getting close up. Let's pick up soya about these because I don't want them to be eating soil. And this is how they look. I'm gonna get the soil off. Okay. Ooh, here's one. There we go. So this is how the carrot that I got is. It's kind of nice. It didn't grow how the size that I wanted it, but this is a decent size. Let's keep on harvesting these. Ooh, here's one. A really, really nice one. And let's see here. Ooh, another decent one. Oh, this one's kind of in a funny circle. Got another one. This one's nice. Put that in our basket. Hard one. Ooh, okay, let's try to pull this carrot because it's not letting me pull it out. Carrot is not going out. Got this one. It's kind of hard. And gonna keep on seeing if we can find any more. Here's one that is kind of green. It's kind of green. Got some right here. And let's see. Man, these carrots are a lot. Got another one. Oh, two of them grow at the same spot. Okay. Got one right here. That looks like it's everything, and I think the harvest is a pretty decent harvest. I mean, look at all these carrots, all the chubby carrots. So much chubbiness. So this was a great harvest. As you can see, there's a lot of carrots that we did. And we're gonna be feeding one of these carrots to our guinea pigs.
All right, guys, so this is the carrot the biggest carrot that we got from the harvest. And so sometimes we like to share the produce that we get from our garden with our little piggies, our guinea pigs, and we're going to see how they react.
So I'm gonna be feeding our pigs. Okay, first little pig.
Smell that?
They eat from the carrots. Eat the carrot.
Hey!
No. We have to do the middle. Oh, they also like the greens too. Hey. And at least you get the greens. Oh, you got your clown. This is my sister's guinea pig's name, and it is Nutmeg. And this one's a little snowflake. We're gonna be sharing it with our other two pigs.
I'm gonna go get the other two pigs so they can enjoy this too.
No.
Hey.
Guys, share. This one's not getting any. Give her some food.
Make sure they both get food.
Ginny's trying to go with the leaves. I'm glad they're enjoying the harvest like we did. Oh.
Is it nummy potato? It's a nummy. It's a nummy one. It's nummy. Hey, Snowflake, share. You gotta share with all of them.
You can't just have all of it.
Did you see that?
What?
So Potato had it, and then Snowflake took it from Potato, and then
Ginny.
Nutmeg took it from. Nutmeg took it from.
Are you hungry? Okay, there you go. They're all nibbling off the carrot. It's like, it's mine. No.
Hey, stop trying to grab it from her mouth.
Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day planting your carrots that are chubby wubby. I love chubby carrots. Bye.